Good day, everybody. I know I haven't been here for a while, but today I will be showing you, as promised, how to make this really delicious, fluffy, lemony, sweet, oh, like moist. I can't even go on. The adjectives are endless. Lemon poppy seed cake. This cake is so easy to make, so delicious. All you need are lemons and poppy seed and your choice of sweetener. And like, you don't even have to dress it. You can have it naked because that's how delicious it is, as you can see here. But I did dress mine. Anyway, let's get into the recipe. To 1 cup of flour, you're gonna add in 1 cup or 3/4 cup, depending on your sweetness tolerance, of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds, and then you're going to whisk that together. The reason why I do not add baking powder to this is because the flour that I'm using is self-raising flour, just by the way, and the ratio of baking powder to flour for self-raising flour is 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder to 1 cup of flour, just by the way. And I also added in a tablespoon of lemon zest, and then after mixing that together, on the side I'm going to curdle my milk. And this is the fun part because we will be using the lemon juice anyway, it's not just for the curdling. So we're making buttermilk and we're adding in the juice of 1 lemon as well as a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then to the dry ingredients, I'm also adding in half a teaspoon of turmeric for some color and a teaspoon of lemon zest. I just minced up some lemon peel and whisked that together, and also wet ingredients. Your buttermilk would have curdled, and you're going to add that to your mixture, as well as half a cup of vegetable or neutral oil. Then after adding in your wet into your dry, you're going to whisk that well and ensure it's nice and smooth and runny. Once you've incorporated them well, you're going to add them into a greased pan, and just look how runny it is. Trust me, you're going to want to stay in the kitchen to smell the aroma. But anyway, your oven should be preheated at 180 degrees, and you're going to bake for 25 minutes until it is nice and risen and looks like this. Let it cool down for 10 minutes in a tin, and then out of the tin for another 10 minutes, and then you can decorate it as you please. Make it look pretty, guys. You can have this cake naked, like I said, it's that good. Or you could add fruits on it. You could make a nice simple lemon icing on it, using lemon juice and icing sugar. Like I said, you don't need the icing, the cake is that good. But I decided I was going to make mine look pretty because I had some strawberries that needed to be used up, and I had some lemon slices that I had already cut up, and I was like, oh, I might as well use them anyway. Eat it as you please, guys. I want to show you how sweet and delicious it looks. Look how soft and fluffy it is. It is so moist. The sweetness level was perfect. I mean, it is a bit sweeter than I usually make my cakes, but I really didn't mind how sweet it was because of the tarty lemoniness that was also there, the nice punch. Oh, it was so good. Please do make me aware when you do make this cake. Tag me at Bohlali in a bowl on Instagram. I would really appreciate to see you guys' efforts. And yeah, enjoy. Bye until next time.